everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use SketchBook Free Edition to draw Forsythia and Chicks. 今天给大家讲一下怎么用 SketchBook 这个免费的 app 来画一下连翘小鸡。On the right, we choose black color. 在右面选一下黑色。On the left, we choose synthetic flat brush 3. 在左面我们用一下合成平头画笔3。We use it to draw the branches. 我们用这个画笔来画树枝。On the left, we change the size to 15. 左面把大小变成15。We draw smaller branches. 我们来画小一点的树枝。Then we're going to change the size to 10 to draw the tiny branches. 我们把大小变成10，来画最小的树枝。Now we're going to create a new layer on the right. 在右面新建一个图层。On the left, switch to the Dream brush under the Designers. Change the size to 20. 我们在左面设计下面选一下梦幻画笔，把大小变成20。Under Advanced Stamp, we change the roundness to 50%. 在高级图章选项里面，我们把圆度变成50%。On the right, we switch to color Y35. 右面选一下 Y35 这个土黄色。We start to draw the flowers, either 4 or 5 or 6 petals. 我们来画一下花，可以是4瓣的、5瓣的或者6瓣的。We switch to color Y08. 我们换一下 Y08 这个笔黄色。We fill in more gaps with flowers, but trying not to cover the branch. 我们画更多的花在空隙中，但是尽量不要挡住树枝。We switch to Y13. 我们换成 Y13 to draw more flowers. 画更多的花。Now we switch to Y11. 换成 Y11. Sometimes we can draw the petals floating in the air. 我们还可以画一些碎的花瓣在空气中。Now we change the size to 10. 我们现在把大小变成10。Decrease the opacity to 80%. 把不透明度降为80%。On the right, we switch to use YR07. 我们选择用 YR07. This orange color going to be the center of the flowers. 我们用这个来点一下花心。Now we switch to YG11. 换成 YG11 这个绿色。Now switch to Artist White Fluid Brush. 在艺术画笔下面换成湿磨损钢毛笔。Create a new layer, drag it down. 在右面建一个新图层，把它挪到最下面。Just give some background green color underneath the branches and flowers. 在树枝和花下面给一些绿色。We start to draw the chicks. 我们现在开始画小鸡。You can refer to my digital art number 11 video to know the details how to draw the chicks. 你可以看一下第11个视频我做的，那里面详细的讲了一下小鸡是怎么画的。The reason we choose white fluid bristles to draw the chicks is because it's suitable to make the fluffy chicks. 我们之所以选择湿磨损钢毛笔，是因为这个笔比较阴，所以小鸡画的可以有毛茸茸的感觉。When I draw the body of the chicks, I decrease the opacity to 20%, which is different than the 60% in the digital art number 11 video. 画小鸡身体的时候，不透明度设为的是20，跟之前第11个视频讲设为的60是不一样的。The lighter color is better to suitable for the situations. 我觉得这个白一点的这个颜色更好一点。Because the body of the chicks is much lighter than the feathers. 因为小鸡的身体更浅一点。We can consider the chicks with a different color, black, gray, and white. 我们可以想象一下，这个小鸡实际上也是黑白灰3种颜色组成的。One important thing when drawing the chicks is to make sure the 2 feet of the chicks are balanced for the center of the gravity of the chicks. 画小鸡的时候最难的就是把2个脚画平衡，这样可以让小鸡的重心落在2脚之间。 When I draw the beak of the chicks, it is different than the number 11 video. The reason is because I use two strokes here, but in my video number 11, I used one connected stroke. The two strokes, I think, is easier to make the beak straight or bend it downward, but when I'm using the one stroke, sometimes the beak is bended upward, which makes it doesn't look like a chick, but look like a duck. 我画嘴的时候跟第11个视频也不太一样，我是用2条线条组成的嘴，在第11个视频里面，我都是用一条折线来画的嘴。这个好处就是说用2条线呢，就是这个嘴可以画的直或者往下弯，但是用1条线画的时候，经常把嘴画成往上弯，这样就像一个鸭子，而不是像一个小鸡。Another improvement I did is for the eyes. In video number 11, I used a bigger white dot for the entire eye, but here I just use a tiny solid white dot for the reflection of the eye. 这个眼睛呢，这个白点也有一些进步，我尽量就是用一个很小很实的点来射这个眼珠上的这个反光。Now we create a new layer and drag it down to the bottom. 在右面新建一个图层，把它画在最下面。We reset the default settings for the white free bristles. 我们把这个湿磨损刚毛笔的重置一下它的默认值。On the right, we choose color YG11. 在右面我们选了 YG11 这个绿色。We use it to draw the grass underneath the chicks. 我们用这个颜色来画一下小鸡下面的青草。Then after that, we're going to switch to use under basic, the cashmere eraser. 我们下面就换成基本里面的软橡皮擦。We decrease the size to 5. 我们把大小变成5。On the grass layer, we're going to erase the green color to make the chicks looks whiter. 我们在草的这个图层里面把绿色涂掉，这样让小鸡的这个背景还是白色的。Now we are done. If you like this video, please choose like, comment, or subscribe below. 如果你喜欢这个视频的话呢，请点赞、投币、收藏或者分享。Thank you. Let's draw together. Bye.